Kaya pag may nagsabi sa inyo, alam mo, ang pangit mo, sagutin mo lang siya, hindi yung, alam mo, judgmental ka. Wag yun. Ang sagot mo ay ganito, hindi mo ako kilala, pero mas kilala ako ng Diyos at kilala ko kung sino ako because in God's word said, I am beautiful. Baguhin mong pangalan ko, bigyan mo ko ng bansag, I don't care. Bakit? Dahil kilala ko kung sino ako, dahil ako ay galing sa Diyos. Yun ang tunay na pananampalataya. You don't have to prove who you are to be who you are. You are special. You are forgiven. You are redeemed. You are saved. You are cleansed. You are restored. That's why, ladies and gentlemen, you don't have to prove who you are to be who you are. Hindi mo na kailangang patunayan kung sino ka, because God already told and said about who you are. God said, you are my child. God